overthinking every detail. Here's the verse that helps you finally let go.
وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ وَكِيلًا.
And put your trust in Allah, for Allah is sufficient as a trustee of affairs. You've tried everything. You've planned, prayed, stressed, and still feel stuck. That's when this verse speaks loudest. Put your trust in Allah. And He is enough. It's not saying, do nothing. It's saying, do your best, and then leave the rest to the one who controls everything. No matter how complicated your situation is, Allah already has the solution. You just can't see it yet. Tawakkul isn't weakness, it's the strongest move a believer can make. Because when you say, Ya Allah, I leave it to you, you're handing your affairs to the most wise, most powerful. Comment, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel, if you're putting your trust in Him today. Share this with someone who's mentally exhausted. Follow for more Quranic verses that ease the heart.